Good morning and welcome to the day of my life. My name is Ruth, and if you don't know me, then that's a shame because it really shows that you don't read your Bible. But anyways, so first I wake up early in the morning with my mother-in-law and sister-in-law, question mark? I don't know. But anyways, we find out that our father-in-law had died, so we weep heinously, like, oh my gosh. Then shortly after, we realize our husbands died too, so we pass out of despair. But then we have to wake up soon because the landlord is gonna evict us soon because there's no men living in the house anymore, so they can't take care of us. And then he says that he's sorry for our loss, but he's still gonna kick us out anyways. And I'm like, I'm sorry, is empathy even in the room with us right now? Okay, but anyway, so my mother-in-law tells us to leave and I stay, but Orpah decides that she's gonna go home because I guess she has better things to do. I don't know. So anyways, we walk to Moab and then I go gather some food and notice that the workers are staring at me. And I mean like staring. And then I think he's the owner. I don't know. But he stares at me and then he whispers to his workers, and then I don't know, suddenly they just decide to start leaving out more crops. So shout out to him and whatever he said. So then I head back to the house and Naomi, which is my mother-in-law, is there with a plan. And then she has like this dress and she tells me like to dress all nice and go lay at his foot, y'all. She told me to go lay at this man's feet. But anyways, I do it and then I return back to the house, and outside I hear the horses pulling up and it's the same guy on bended knee asking me to be his wife. But I accept the offer and now I'm married to a rich man. My name is Ruth and you're watching Disney. Oh wait, wrong skit. My name's Ruth and that's a day in my life. Bye.